I'll leave this one.
Make a general announcement.
All right, guys, everybody. It's going to, I'm going to turn it on now. Like make allow the sound.
So he may have one of three reactions.
Okay.
He might think it's funny. He might be afraid.
Okay.
He's most likely going to ignore it because his personality is so laid back. He's probably going to be like, and remember, he's not going to understand us. He doesn't speak English yet. So he doesn't know what we're saying to him. It's sort of like if I dropped you into a room full of people speaking Chinese, right? Like he's gonna hear us, but it's not necessarily gonna make any sense. Okay. So don't be surprised if he just acts like he doesn't hear anything at all still, because all that's happening right now is just neural stimulation. Okay. And it won't make sense to him until he's had practice and time and adjusted. Okay. And that just takes time, right? And then, as you're going along with the therapies and the things that we need to do in order to get him to hear and understand, then you'll start to see more reaction and responses. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on.
Okay.
Everybody ready?
Everybody ready? Okay, good.
All right, little man. LéAndre. Hey, Dre. This child does not care.
LéAndre. LéAndre.
Listen. Yeah. Let's open it. Yeah, what happens here? Look. I hear it. No, I want those. Shake it. What happened? Look. Okay, I'm going to keep making noise.
Shake it. Shake it. Yeah.
What is that? Look. Wait. You make it make some noise. Now what? Oh, you want that one? Does it? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna give me? You're the funny one. Let's make it louder. Oh, Excuse me, Jamie.
Woo! It's smelling bubbles. Woo! I have bubbles all over me. Silly guy.
LéAndre. Hi, Mama.
That's so funny.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
LéAndre.
gosh.
LéAndre.
Okay, I'm turning it off for just a second.
Okay.
I gotta rerun the phone here.
Should we turn it off?
And now turn it back on.
Turn it back on.
Just a second. Yep.
Oh.
Here. Yeah, what happened? Wait, sir. That's so funny.
Getting attacked by Bubbles.
It's off though?
Yeah, I'm making an adjustment and then I'm gonna turn it back on.
Okay.
Whoa! Yeah, Bubbles all over me.
Okay, and now it's coming back on.
LéAndre.
Oh.
I hear that. I hear it. Look.
Uh-huh.
I
Yes.
hear it. Look.
Woo!
I hear that. Yeah.
I hear it.
Whoa. You want me to take it? What? What's next, huh? Is that what you're asking? What's next? Yeah, go get something else? Uh-huh. I know. I understand. I speak, Andre. Oh. What? I know. You think you need something else out there? Do you? Turn it up a little more. Uh-huh.
You want this one?
LéAndre.
Oh, it's off. I'm sorry. I'm turning it up a little bit more.
Oh,
You have to
she
turn it
turn
back
it.
on,
She turn
yeah.
it off again, so she's gonna turn it up a bit.
Yeah, just a little. Now it's coming on. Oh.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Hey, Bugs. Hey, Bugs.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I know that was a surprise. Okay. I hear myself crying.
Yes. Oh my God.
Here, let's do something better. Mama's right here for me.
I'm here.
Recovery.
It's
Good.
okay.
Recovery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to see
What's
that?
all that?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, you would like that? Okay. Oh, and real tears too. Oh. Yay! You want to turn? LéAndre, you try. No? Okay.
Wow.
I hear it. What about this one? What about this one? Oh, I just finally figured out things are happening. It's working. It's a good day. It's a really good day.
You gonna do this?
Oh, you want to? Oh, I know. Yes,
Yeah.
you
You want
perfect.
that
Yes,
too?
I need one too. Oh, you do your own experiment.
Uh-huh.
I did that, didn't I? I hear it. I know, I hear it. Yes. One more time off. Okay, we're just going to give him a second to realize it's not on. Get me the video too. And it's coming back on. Oh.
Hi, LéAndre. Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Then turn it off and turn it on again.
It's okay.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay, big boy.
What do you want?
Mm. He has a really unique response. He like cries real hard and then he goes, okay.
And then he's like, okay, it's okay.
Yeah, right?
Just scares him for a second.
So you may see that for the next few days, you know, when he's adjusting, that when you first put it on, he's like, oh, and it's sort of like, if you've ever been like getting ready to do something really early in the morning by yourself, right? You're in the bathroom,
Right.
it's quiet in the house, no one else is around, and then someone sneaks up on you and turns on the radio really loud. That's what he's experiencing, like just that sense of, oh my God, you know. What's that? There's nothing. Oh, you want the tray?
Show him that there's nothing.
Oh, there's nothing. Yeah, it's not fun.
Alright, let's get it anyway.
Okay. Yeah, sure. You can have that. He's just, well, maybe there's a meal involved. Good, ignore it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, one more time. Off.
Alright, they turned it off again.
Okay. What happened?
I know, it's off.
You did this side. Oh, do something, people. And now it's going to come back on.
They turned it on again.
I hear it.
Hey! Hey!
LéAndre.
LéAndre.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
I hear it. It's, yes, it's in my ear. See all your teeth. Oh, see, Mama has you. Mama has you. Oh, did we forget about these? Look.
Woo! Bubbles!
Oh, put that over there. Okay. She
LéAndre.
got it. She got it.
LéAndre.
Oh.
LéAndre.
Oh.
LéAndre. LéAndre.
I don't know my name. Alright, so I'm going to turn it off so that I can download it into this processor for you.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's going off again.
It's off again. And so all of this business behind you is actually all yours.
Yes.
You are not there's no test tomorrow, so it's okay.
Okay.
We're going to use just the disposable batteries today, but you do have a pile of rechargeables and extra
Okay.
everything is in there. We'll look at that also together,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm just going to show you how this works while he's got his back to me.
Okay.
So when you're using the disposables, they go into that little holder, and then see the holes here, and then the air holes there. You just slide that into place, okay? And
Yeah.
there you go, buddy. Okay. Now, so I'm disconnecting from the programming cable. And this is fairly tight because I put this little rubber ear hook thing around it. You will make your decision if you think this is the best way to keep it retained on his ear. There's also, you know, we have the little headband thing if you want to try that. But it's it makes it a little bit tighter of a seal to squeeze it together, so you're going to feel a little bit like you're breaking it, okay? And then you see how it's flashing yellow right now?
Yeah.
You know what? I need to put the pediatric settings on. So the question I have for you is this. This processor can be set up so that he will, we can either set it up so that you'll see a green light flicker whenever it's on and working. Some parents really like that in the beginning because then it's not really
when I
responsive.
saw it, I was just like, okay.
And
I
then
like the light.
we can turn the light off later, and if you decide that the light is not enjoyable anymore, not useful.
I'm not getting any more toys anywhere around here. I'm not sure what you want.
He's like, I know where the toy cabinet is.
The other thing I'm going to institute in is something called soft mat start duration, so that when we first turn it on, I know, sir. Yeah, I know you weren't in there. When we first turn it on, it starts at a little bit lower level and ramps up over about a minute.
Okay.
So that maybe he doesn't quite sympathize. So we'll see. I can appreciate that he cries at first, because then that just kind of tells us also that he's hearing. You know, as much as I don't like to make anybody cry. I mean, not sad tears. You know, like,
Yeah.
yeah. So now when I take this part off, I'll slide his battery into place, and it's a little barrel there and a little piece there, and it's kind of a little bit sideways to start, and then you would twist it into place. Okay, and then you'll see some lights, green light that says it's program number 1. It's flashing orange because it's not talking to an internal device. So this part has to be in place, right? And just slide it behind the ear, lift that in, thing, and then it'll catch where it belongs.
Oh. It's on now?
Yes.
It's
Oh, it's okay, Bobby. You're all right. You're safe, Mommy. Okay. And I'm going to unbuckle him so he can get down for a minute. And what I would suggest you do is take a walk. I'd like you to take him to the bathroom. I'd like you to go flush the toilet, run the water. And remember, he doesn't understand any of it. So